Hi guys, today I'll be sharing with you this recipe for making moist and delicious banana bread. Starting with dry ingredients, add your baking soda to 2 cups of flour. My son is helping me today. You add a cinnamon to it and you give it a good mix, or you get your little one to do that. And then you add nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg to this, and also give it a good mix. I also add 1 teaspoon of salt to this just to balance out the sweetness of the banana. I will start prepping my banana. You need very ripe banana. I'm using 3. I'm going to mash that in a plate. Just get the consistency you like, just like that. I'm going to go over to my wet ingredients, butter, sugar, and I'm going to use a hand whisker. If you have a standing one, it can also work. You just want to mix this until it's light and fluffy, and then you get 2 large eggs and you put in the egg one at a time and you mix in between. Add the second one and you mix it properly until it's well combined. This hand mixer makes it faster and easier. You want now to add your banana into this and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you go back with that hand mixer and make sure it is thoroughly combined. After you add in your dry ingredients, when you add this, you don't want to mix for too long, just 5 seconds and you turn off your mixer. If you overmix this, it will make the cake to be too doughy and you wouldn't like it. So you just want to mix it just right. And I'm going to take this wooden spatula and just fold it in until it becomes this way. And I will get my lime tin and I'll pour in that mix. My son is really excited about this. He loves banana bread. I'll just scoop it into the pan that I've lined and just smoothing in the surface of it. Pop this into the oven. I like to set my timer with this. I'll set it for 59 minutes, but it's going to bake in less than that. It is done. Our banana bread, it is ready. It baked in 50 minutes. And look at that gorgeous banana bread. It is looking so yummy. It is moist. This recipe is so easy to follow. You can do this. We are going to slice into our banana bread. I'll bring the camera closer so that you see the texture of that banana bread. Looking so yummy. You can grab a cold drink and use this as your summer snack. Hope you try this recipe, and if you liked it, give me a like and a subscribe to my channel. Thank you.